All right, so ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to yet another episode on DTC OfficialGh, your number one channel for business, personal development, and tech-related content. And before we go in there, I want you to know that there is always more to read on DTCOfficialGh.com. Today, I have with me here the phenomenal Isaac Sesi from Sesi Technologies, who has been doing quite amazing in the business space. And I'm here to talk to him shortly about building resilience and how to follow your business model Canva and also business development aspects, and probably top it up with a few tips that you may need in the coming days as a business and entrepreneur. Mr. Sesi, you are welcome to DTC Official.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right, so today I witnessed your training. It was amazing because most trainings are quite boring, but yours was very active. Everybody was very active, and it's quite amazing. We are I've met entrepreneurs who go to events, develop this business model Canva, and they find it difficult, you know, following it. What do you say to them, or what do you think are the ways people can actually follow on their business model Canva and its importance?
Yeah, I think the reason why a lot of people don't follow the business model canvas that they develop is they see it as this an academic exercise. We just come to this workshop, we write these things on a sheet of paper, and then we go away, and there is no utility to that. But the essence of this is supposed to help you develop such a canvas for your own business, which is supposed to be something that you keep looking at. The business model canvas breaks down all of the key essentials that you need to consider in order to run a business. And these are things that you should do for your own business. So if you come and then you develop a business model canvas for your own business, it's something that you need to keep improving on, you keep looking at all the time, and then keep refining. But if you just do it once and put it under your bed or stick it on your fridge, it doesn't become of any use to you. So people have to realize that, okay, this is a document that's supposed to help me build my business, and so I should leverage it and make use of it.
All right, so since you have a video of the entire training on business model Canva, I've left a link to the video in the description below where you can watch his session, a full session of himself teaching you how to develop your business model Canva. I wouldn't go deep into that, but we are currently in a very difficult situation as businessmen and entrepreneurs. And so managing business needs a lot of grit and other stuff. How does entrepreneurs build resilience in these trying times?
Yeah, I think one of the things that separates entrepreneurs who succeed from those who don't is just that grit and that, as you say, resilience that causes you to keep going and going even in hard times. Not everybody can endure adversity. Not everybody can endure hard times. And I think it's one of what, if there's anything like an entrepreneur DNA, then grit and resilience would be one of those components. And I think that you need to times are hard. A couple of years ago, dollar was not even 10 cities. Now dollar is almost 16 cities. I think even more than 16 cities. How do you do business that way? So it's always it's easy to give up, but if you really believe what you're doing, and if you believe that your business has merit, you should continue pursuing it. You should figure out what is working and double down on those. You should figure out what is not working and then eliminate that. Sometimes you have to make some hard decisions like cutting costs, uh, possibly laying off staff, uh, doing things that are difficult, right? But it's better to you need to just do whatever you can to save the ship and to keep the ship from grounding. And I think that that's really, if there's a thing that entrepreneurs should develop in this time, is greater resilience in this stage.
All right, so if you're an entrepreneur watching, if you really, really want to succeed, because I know you've got no other option, then you need grit and resilience. To top it up and just since we don't have enough time, people find it difficult raising funds
Mm-hmm.
or generating income from their entrepreneurial ventures
Mm,
because people believe that times are hard, times are
mm,
hard.
mm.
In your opinion, what are, let me say, a minimum of three ways you think entrepreneurs in modern times can actually make money?
Um, are we talking about making money or generating or
Let's say
like raising
making
funds?
money, raising funds, let's say making money.
Okay, making money. I think we have to be relentlessly focused on what people want, and a lot of entrepreneurs have fancy ideas in their head, and they think that that is what people want. But go on the ground, figure out what people want. There are a lot of businesses that are making a lot of money in these times because they are providing essential services that people are willing to pay for. So number one, figure out what people want. Number two, get it to them with some value, right? So whether it is like affordability or convenience or something, um, get that thing to them. Uh, yeah, just get that thing to them. Figure out what people want, get it to them. Those are two fundamental things. Once you can figure out what people want and you can get it to them, you always be in business.
All right, so this has been an amazing session with Isaac Sesi. I have left a link in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. I want to also know what you think in the comment section below. Catch you in another episode. This has been DTC Official. There is always more to read on dtcofficialgh.com. Thank you.